Yes, Kai, Krizia, and Achir, we're still at Jakarta Convention Center, Senayan, where earlier today, like you have just mentioned before, President Joko Widodo has had a meeting, actually a briefing with all the mayors, the governors, as well as ministers, and also the head of official institutions and state-owned enterprises during the current situations of the nation itself. So, like once again, like you have been mentioned before, it's a huge scale of event, and throughout this event, during his briefing, President Joko Widodo actually made some of the several stern remarks, once again reminding everyone to continue increasing their sense of crisis in these challenging times. And for more details, here is the statement from President Joko Widodo.
Sudah sering saya sampaikan, tapi terus akan saya sampaikan berulang-ulang untuk mengingatkan kepada Bapak, Ibu, dan saudara-saudara sekalian bahwa dunia saat ini penuh dengan ketidakpastian yang tinggi. Semua negara sulit sekarang ini. Sulit. Dan ekonomi global juga sangat sulit diprediksi, sangat sulit dikalkulasi, sangat sulit dihitung. Sudah siapapun lah suruh ngitung, pasti akan kesulitan. Arahnya akan kemana? Penyelesaiannya seperti apa? Ini yang terus akan saya ulang-ulang supaya kita sadar dan semuanya punya sense of crisis.
There are 4 points which has been mentioned by President Joko Widodo during his briefing. The first one is regarding the inflation management. Yes, it's true that we have decreased compared to the previous year. However, if we see in the big picture, if we see even in this month only, in last month only, I mean in August, it has been mentioned that there are a lot of rising prices in commodity price such as chili, and President Joko Widodo actually made a stern remarks. He urged all of the regional government to continue to solve this issue by using the unexpected funds and also the regional funds as well as the general transfer fund. So he mentioned that he already instructed them, and he also mentioned that they need to pay attention to not only see the big picture as well as or the small part, but also see everything in detail to ensure that there will be no more crisis like this in the future. And the second, it's about the extreme poverty rate. So currently, from March 2022, Indonesia is on the 2.04% of extreme poverty rate, which is around 5.59 million of people. And the government once again continue to work hard to solve this issue because they actually accelerated the target, the 0%. Initially, it will be on 2030. However, they will accelerate it in the 2024. So once again, the President Joko Widodo remind everyone to continue solve this issue. And the third one is regarding the how to use the local products. So during the briefing, President Joko Widodo actually showed the ministries as well as the state-owned enterprises as well as the regional government about the details regarding how many of them still use the local products for all of their facilities. And the president urged them to continue to use this, so don't only rely on the imported products, but also from our own. And however, there is still a good news in it, which is the president targeted 1 million products from the small and medium enterprises to be sold on the e-commerce. However, right now, by the end of this year, we already reached until more than 1 million. And the fourth point is regarding the tourism. Once again, President Joko Widodo mentioned that it is important for us to not only focus on the foreign tourism, but also continue to work across our own tourism. And we'll continue to give you further update about this. Back to the studio.